Welcome back, my dear students. In this lecture here, we're going to be learning a lot, all right? So pay very close attention. Anyway, for those of you that are really excited about the PHP object-oriented programming course that I have coming up, I'm just going to tell you that I'm getting it ready. It's just taking a little bit more time than I thought, but don't worry, it will come and you're going to love it, all right? So anyways, let's go ahead and do what I want to do on this lecture here. First of all, is that I want to put a link here for a registration.php page, and I also want to go to, and this is where I am right now, go to your navigation.php. That should be under your CMS and then inside your includes, all right here. So go there, that's your navigation, and we're going to be adding a link here. So I'm just going to copy this. That's the first thing that we're going to be doing, and I'm going to call this registration. And copy the same word there so I don't have to write it again. Paste that PHP. All right. So let's go back and see how that, if it's working good, and click on it and it takes us to PHP, right, to the registration PHP. All right, perfect. Second thing that I want to do is go to your registration.php. All right, and that should be under admin, and then inside includes. Actually, it's not inside includes. All right, registration is actually outside on the CMS folder, and actually on the root on the CMS folder. That's it. That's where registration is. All right. So anyway, so one of the things that I want to do is I want to take this while loop out of here. All right. The reason is because we don't need to loop through the whole table to get this value out. We can just get the first value. All right, the first value of the database of the table, right? This first value, we get it out, and that's it, right? And we're done with it. But we don't need to go around. So let me show you another way of doing this. So this is new. You probably have not seen this. All right, I'm just gonna take that off, and that's it. Done. We don't need to echo anything out there. We were doing that for demonstration purposes only. So now what we want to do is we want to start making the query to go into the inside the database. All right. So let's go ahead and do this. I actually have something already that I want to copy and paste here, so that way I don't take 20 minutes writing this stuff. All right, so I'm just gonna paste this in here. All right. All right, so what do we got here? We got a query. We got a variable holding a query like we've done so many times. We're gonna insert this into users, the username, email, password, and access. All right, that's going to be let me just go back to our PHP, make sure that we have that there. We have to see we have that column there, right? PHP my admin. Then we go to our CMS users and see we have access. We have user role. All right, so that would be user role, right, instead of access. So we would change this to user, actually user underscore role. All right, perfect. Then we are concatenating here. We're continuing the string down here, and then we're inserting the username, the email, the password, and then here the last one, make sure that it is user role. And we, as a matter of fact, we are going to be hard coding something in here. We're gonna just name it subscriber. Make sure that you hard coded this. So this is gonna be a string, okay? By default, that's what's gonna be subscriber. Then in the admin, we change it. Right now, then we send the query, right, with the connection, the query. We've done this many times. If this query is successful, it's not successful, then we give this error, right? All right, that looks like we're good there, right? All right, let's save it and check it out. Let's see if it works, right? So let's go back here and let's just make sure that we just put whatever here. I don't know, demo 3000. I know I come up with some strange names, right? I guess I'm not that creative. And I don't know, some gibberish passwords there and register. Then we have on name. All right, so we have a field that it's not the same, a column field. So let's make sure that, yeah, I remember now. All right, email, user email. Everything here is user, and I'm not doing that in my query. Ooh, not good, not good. Username, user email. Make sure that you do that, okay? That's why it's always good to have those errors displaying. User password and user role. All right. Okay, let's check it out. Let's see if it works now. What kind of error we get back. I haven't really tested this before I show it to you. I like to do it like this. Freestyle. Demo 3000, 4000. Let's do 4000 now. And Gmail and register. There we go. It looks like it went through now. Let's check it out. Refresh. All right, so it went through. We got the demo and we got the user password. We got the username, password ID, and even email. All right, we can check it out. We can go to admin, users, and we can see that we have this guy right here, demo 4000. We have some information. The person can come here and edit and enter the remaining information if they want to. And that's it. That's it for that. Update user. Come back here, and now everything's updated. All right. So on the next lecture, we're going to be doing some more modifications to this registration page because what I want to show some validation. I want to be able to, if for some reason the user does not clicks here, right now if we click here, I think it makes a new record. If we go back and we check, we make a new empty record. So we want to stop this functionality from happening. And we at the same time want to give the user some feedback saying, this cannot be empty and you need to fill it up, right? So on the next lecture, we're going to be playing around with that a little bit, and see you in the next one. Take care. Thank you.